Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Siyabonga Khadebe. Siyabonga Khadebe is a South African actor, singer, songwriter. Aphinze futhi lapho abe stand up comedian. Akagcina ngake lapho waphinze futhi waba director. He's best known for the roles in television, serials and soapies such as Home Affairs, Saints and Sinners, Ring of Lies. Waphinze wadlala futhi laphana ku-Uzalo. Sagcina kumbona nje lapha ku-Uzalo. Washiya phansi ke lapha uZalo ushiya nje basamdzinga kakhulu. Lokwenda ukuthi ma-director lapha ku-Uzalo azame ukupatanisa Nkosi yamahlanganisa, athole umuntu lotomvala kuvika ngemva kokuthi ahambe ashiye phansi laphana ku-Uzalo without a notice ke sana. So lapha ku-Uzalo bekadlala irole yavika Magwaza. So after loko njena azange siphinde simbone kumabonakude kaNyalo Soulphara. Like he was seen wearing torn clothes, dirty clothes, ahamba lapha emgwaqeni. Lokwenta abantu bagqine baqabanga ukuthi ngazuthi uSiyabonga soqala akulahlekelwa ingqondo. Lawo matikola even saying ukuthi avela kasekho right mentally. Angeke guys ugqoke impahla leti ngcolile. Uyawubona nawo lama pictures akhe lawo ukuthi impahla tingcolile, tidzabukile, akakami inhloko, akayigezi, akayigundi. So people are really concerned about uSiyabonga because they know how talented he is. So bantu batibuta ukuthi what happened to uSiyabonga. So bantu nje bayasho ukuthi cha guys, kubuhlungu kakhulu luthi kubona kusekuthi mase actors lamaningi guys anako lokuthi masangekho akumabonakude abe down and out, like awe like kuwa like look serious. Thole umuntu usacala ama donations ngeke masibona ama actors or banlesi bathi ukuthi they were acting, masimbona nje in the video siyathi ukuthi ufuna akuqela donation, siyathi nje ukuthi ufuna ukuthi South Africa ngicela ngidonateleni because what happened kwendakaleni uzugcine so ufuna donation. So people are saying ukuthi cha shem, this guy really needs help because he is very talented. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. So goodbye.